Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Kucoin and signing in. Make sure you can access your account and email. Once signed in, go to Account Security and select Google Authenticator Setup. You need Google Authenticator installed on your phone, and you should have your Kucoin password ready for confirmation. This is about linking, not changing backups, so pause other apps that might intercept codes. By starting here, you reduce interruptions and ensure a smooth QR scan as the next step. Now you'll scan or enter the secret key. On Kucoin, click Bind Google Authenticator and reveal the QR plus the 16-character backup key. Copy it somewhere safe. Open Google Authenticator, choose Add, then scan a QR code. Point your camera at Kucoin's QR. If scanning fails, tap Enter a setup key and type the 16-character code manually. Once added, the app will show a 6-digit rotating code. Write down the backup key before you proceed to the next confirmation step. To finish, enter the 6-digit code shown in Google Authenticator into Kucoin and submit. You may also need to input your Kucoin password and email code. Once verified, Google Authenticator is linked. Make sure to store the 16-character backup key offline so you can recover codes if you lose your phone. If the code is rejected, check your phone's clock settings and sync to network time. Incorrect device time is the most common failure and usually fixed in seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.